Hello and welcome. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Trello for social media management. Step 1, you have to create a workspace. Head to Trello.com and sign in or register for a free account. Click your profile icon, then choose Create Workspace. Give it a name like Social Media HQ to organize all your content planning in one central spot. Next, you have to set up your board. Inside your new workspace, click Create Board. Name it Social Media Planner or make individual boards for platforms like Instagram, X or Twitter, Facebook, and etc. Think of boards as the control center of your social content. Step 3. Organize your workflow with lists. Add lists that represent each stage of your content pipeline, such as content ideas, a to-do list, in-progress list, scheduled list, and a list for posted content. This layout follows a Kanban style system, helping you visualize progress at every step. Step 4. Add cards for each post or campaign. Each card acts as a single post or full campaign. Inside each card, you can add captions in the description, set due dates for when posts should go live, attach media files like images, videos, or templates. Step 5. Use labels and checklists. Use color-coded labels to categorize content, like for example, red for promo, green for engagement, then blue for educational. Add checklists for the smaller steps, like write copy, design graphics, and schedule the post. Step 6. Add power-ups and automations. Make your workflow smoother by adding tools like Google Calendar for scheduling, Canva to design directly in Trello, and Zapier to automate actions like moving cards or sending reminders. Step 7. Collaborate and monitor progress. Invite your team to the board, assign them to cards, and use comments to discuss ideas. Track results or notes on performance directly in each card, or connect analytics tools to get data-driven insights. Disclaimer: this video is created for educational purposes only. It uses Trello's publicly available features and complies with YouTube's terms of service and all legal standards. Trello is a product of Atlassian, and this guide does not imply any official endorsement or partnership. And that would be all for today's tutorial. I'll see you on the next one.